Hi guys, my name is Lo. Welcome back to my channel where I usually discuss all things luxury and contemporary handbags. But today is a little bit of a different video, and I'm also releasing a little bit earlier than I usually do because I generally put out videos on the weekends. But today is a special day, which is the reason why you're getting this video already on a Friday. It is the 13th of February, and that means it is Galentine's Day. And I think for a couple of years now already, our dear friend and cheerleader Didi Bean organizes this big Galentine's fest. And I want to share the story of how I am part of it, yet I am not completely part of it. And I received some goodies that I want to unbox or unpack with you today. So let's dive into it. So the story behind Galentine's is that it is the day before Valentine's Day, and the idea is that you are basically celebrating your friendships with your girlfriends. And Didi has been organizing this Galentine's Fest around it, which basically means that you come together with a group of creators and you do a sort of secret Santa, which is such a fun idea. And Didi actually already invited me, I think like 2 years in a row, or she at least invited me once to also partake in it. But I always had to say like, oh, that is so sweet, but because I do not live in the United States, I live in the Netherlands, it's all the way at the other end of the world, I think it's going to be such a pain and very expensive to organize things around shipping and import duties and all that kind of stuff. So I really appreciate the invitation, but I think it will just be too much hassle. Now Didi has this amazing habit of being very persistent in her kindness and her willingness to include everybody in this community, and I really adore her for that. So this year she sort of organized a trial year to see if she could actually send some goodies outside of the United States. So she sent something over to me. I think she also sent something over to Canada just to see how it will work out. So in that sense, I am part of the Galentine's gift exchange to some extent because I'm getting gifts. I'm just not giving anything in return. That is just really the sweetest gesture. So thank you so much, Didi. It means so much to me. Like generally just having this community of friends and handbag lovers, I'm already super grateful to have that, but sometimes I am a little bit envious when I see people like meeting up, getting together. Anyway, that's sort of besides the point. It's just really great to even be part of these sort of things, which are logistically generally a bit more challenging. I am rambling. I'm just going to see what Didi sent me. I think I'm gonna start off with this one. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. I got a little shiny, glittery bear charm. I think the theme of this year, just for the whole Galentine's thing, was to do bag charms. And of course, they are still super popular, so that was a great idea. It's so cute. It has like little moving arms and legs. Aw, thanks, Didi. We're gonna find a nice bag to put this one on. So cute. And then, oh, this is also pretty. Again, another bag charm. It's a little flower. You guys, also super cute. And this is sort of in the aged gold hardware, which is good because I don't have a lot of charms with this kind of hardware. So I'll have to see where I'm gonna put this on. Maybe on one of my Coach Cassies. I think my denim Coach Cassie might have sort of aged hardware. I'll have to see. Again, I'm going to find a good bag to put this on. So, oh, thanks so much. Really, really cute. And here we have some notes. A little simulated sea love. Coach, I presume. And probably more you. LOL, love from Didi. And a little Didi sparkle. Ah, okay, I see. These come with 2 different notes. So for the teddy, that says a little Didi sparkle because you deserve some love from Didi Bean. And then for the flower, a little simulated sea love and probably more you. Fair enough. This is indeed perhaps a little bit more me, but I do like to go a little bit more all out with my bag charm, so I'm going to enjoy both of these. Okay, and then we have a second one. Okay. Wind chimes. Listen to the wind. Let's open her up. Aww. Okay. Still having to unwrap the whole thing, but my eye already caught this little plaque. It says, The best thing in life are not things, they're friends like you. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, this is so pretty too. Thanks so much, Dee. Oh, you really are the sweetest. Okay. This is gonna make a lot of noise, so bear with me. Oh. Okay. So I will have to get this in order. It sounds so nice. So it is a wind chime, and then here at the bottom it has the little, well, sort of black. Okay. This sound might be a bit too annoying on video, I'm sorry. But yeah, there's this little plaque that on the one side says, the best thing in life are not things, they're friends like you. And then on the other side says, you bring the sunshine. Well, I think that if anybody is bringing the sunshine, it is definitely Dee. Thanks so much, Dee. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to find a good place for everything, for the back charms and for the wind chimes. But this is just the sweetest thing, and I'm so glad to be part of this year's Galentine's. Now, I totally forgot to mention this because I was too excited, but of course I will put everyone up on the screen who is part of this year's Galentine's. I will also link them down below in the description box with the videos. So please go check them out once you've finished my video. If there's any new creators over there that you haven't subscribed to, please subscribe, because as a viewer, that is a great way to show some love to the creators that you like to watch. Now, that was our Galentine's gift exchange. I also wanted to take the opportunity today to do a little unboxing, because I also got a little Galentine's or Valentine's treat for myself. Obviously, you also need to love yourself. Now, the story behind this is that I went to a pop-up store in December, and it was a pop-up store that combined 3 brands. St. which, if you've been following me, you know I talk about St. all of the time because they have amazing bags. Elsa the brand was also there. They make these amazing toilet-friendly jumpsuits, of which I also have a couple. But then there was also a third brand that I hadn't tried before, and that is called Roberta Amsterdam. Roberta Amsterdam does these really nice jewelry pieces. They do silver and gold-plated silver. As I was in the pop-up store, I saw some really nice items. So after thinking about it for a little bit, I decided to reach out to Roberta, who owns Roberta Amsterdam. And I placed an order with her, which I am now going to unbox. Here we have the pretty Roberta Amsterdam label box. Let's open her up. So Roberta herself packed this for me. Okay. This is already looking very pretty. Let's untie this, and we have a card. Dear Lo, I'm so happy that you like this necklace. Such a beautiful selection. It's one of my personal favorites. Delicate first tone, elegant. Hoping you love and enjoy it as much as I do. Love to hear your thoughts once you've styled it. Can't wait. All the best with love, Roberta. Very sweet. Thank you. And what do we have here? I actually got some stickers from Roberta. It's a very nice touch. And the card with some more information. It gives some background information about the brand, and that each design is crafted with sterling silver, moissanite, or high-grade zirconia, and so forth. Just really love from these brands that you get such nice packaging. Here we have a little pouch that is actually super handy, not only for jewelry, but this could also be very convenient to keep like my car keys in, for example. And the box with the necklace. So slides out like this, and then again we have a pouch and a chute. Yes, there she is. Lovely. So this is like a, I think you call it a paperclip necklace, and then it also has a shiny hanger. So I thought this was just a really nice piece, because this necklace itself is 60 centimeters long. You can either wear it as a long necklace, which is really convenient, because sometimes that just looks a little bit nicer than a necklace that is like up super high. But then also because it is with the paper clips, you can pretty much just close it anywhere you like and leave the rest in your neck, or you can also even wear it the other way around and have this spare part of the necklace sort of hanging down as decoration. Then this hanger you can easily take off, so you can buy this necklace with or without the hanger, and I think you can also buy the hanger separately or as part of a different necklace, and you could also even just wear this the other way around if you would like to. So you can still have a hanger, but something that is a little less shiny. I do find a lot of the pieces from Roberta Amsterdam to be sort of showstoppers, which I actually mean in a very positive way. But she also has a number of very nice pieces that are more for like everyday or wearing to the office. So I thought this was just a very nice versatile piece. It looks really pretty, really nice quality, and I think this is a very nice little Galantine treat for myself. So unexpectedly, I needed to come back with a third part of this video. So when I had ordered this necklace from Roberta Amsterdam, I basically reached out to the owner on a DM on Instagram, and she asked me for my shipping information and everything. And I had just figured that once I would receive the order, there would be an invoice in the box. But then there wasn't. So yesterday I sent Roberta a message asking her, like, hey, I didn't get an invoice in the box, how can I pay you for the order? And then she told me that this gorgeous necklace that she sent me is actually a gift. So I did feel kind of morally or even legally obliged to tell you that this sort of turns out to be sponsored content, although you just got a very authentic reaction from me thinking that this was just an order and not actually PR. So yeah, I was of course very happy and very pleasantly surprised. So thanks so much, Roberta Amsterdam, for the beautiful gift. I'm going to enjoy it so much. So yeah, that brings me to the end of the video, which kind of leads me to the conclusion that I have been incredibly spoiled this year for Galentine's Day with the lovely gifts from Didi and this beautiful necklace from Roberta. So I feel so immensely blessed and grateful. Next year I definitely strive to also add to the joy myself. So please make sure that you do check out all the Galentine's videos. They will be linked down below, and I'm sure they're going to be fun and really heartwarming. We have such an amazing community and I'm so happy to be part of it. To all of those who are celebrating, I hope you have a wonderful Galentine's Day and or Valentine's Day. Thanks so much for watching. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Doei!